How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we're unboxing the EOS M50 Mark II with the kit lens. This one has the 15 to 45 millimeter IS STM kit lens. Let's go ahead and just do the unboxing right here. We'll pull this little tab, pretty stiff tab, brand new camera, never opened it up before. All right, so we've got first the stuff we don't really care about, instructions, warranty information, blah, 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 blah. Don't really care. All right, we'll pull that aside and let's go ahead and grab the camera right away and have a look at the camera right away. We'll put the box to the side for a second and we'll go ahead and see the camera itself. We'll just open this packaging up right here and there we go. So, ooh, okay, did I accidentally pop that out or was it already popped out? All right, so we have the flash. There we go, we're good to go. So there's your camera itself from the back. It's actually a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, maybe from the pictures it feels a little bit smaller, but nonetheless, the screen itself with that swivel screen that comes out right there, and that will go forward and whatnot and all that as well. If we look at the top, there is all your switches, buttons, and all that good stuff right there. We got the separate recording button, which I do like. And on the side, we'll take a look. We've got the mini HDMI, or sorry, it's micro HDMI, I believe it is. And then we've got, is that just a regular USB? Or USB-C, maybe USB-C, not really sure. Then on the side right here, we got a dedicated microphone port, so that's really good to have that. We got the shoe mount on the top, which is good, and then this little piece right here you can unscrew and then you can attach the lens on. We'll grab that stuff in a sec. Let's go ahead and get back to our box right here. We've got the strap, which we can put onto the camera. I mostly use my cameras at home, so I don't really use the strap, so we'll throw that aside. And what else do we have in this box right here? So we've got the lens itself. We'll take that out right now. We'll grab the other stuff. We've got the battery and we've got our charger. So let's go ahead and first look at the charger right here. So there it is. So it's one of these ones that you just plug right into the wall and you can slip the battery in there. We'll grab the battery out and you guys can see which battery that this one is. And it is the LPE12. So if you care about the battery name, there it is, LPE12. And that battery will just plug just like that and then into your wall with the charger. So we'll go ahead and do that before we actually turn the camera on. Let's go ahead and open up the lens right here and we'll see our 15 to 45 kit lens. And myself, because I have a lot of the M cameras, I've got two of the M6 Mark IIs, two M200s, and now the M50 Mark II. I've already got like 4 other of these lenses. So this is my 5th one. So we don't really use these lenses. I would highly recommend getting a better lens like the Sigma 16mm. I'll link that down below. It's the best lens for this camera in my opinion. Let's go ahead and pop this camera lens on. So if you see the little dot right there and the dot right here, that's how you know how to line it up. So you put the lens on just like that, and then you just twist, clicks in, and you are good to go. Go ahead and charge your battery up before you use your camera, though. You make sure you want to do that. But until then, that is the look with the lens on. Really, really nice looking camera. Super excited to use this one, but I'm not going to start it till I've charged the battery. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing video, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.